We're going to look at the column method for multiplication. So we're going to work through this method to find the answer to 34 multiplied by 2. So I'm going to write down my calculation with 34 first, and then underneath I'm going to put multiplied by 2. And to work this out, what we do is we need to multiply both of these digits by the 2. And we start with the units first. So we say 2 multiplied by 4 is 8, and we can write 8 in our units column. And then we say 2 multiplied by 3, which is in our tens column. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. And that's in our tens column. So what we've actually done is we have said 2 times 4 equals 8. We multiplied the units together, and then we multiplied the tens together, and we said 2 times 30 equals 60, and then we had to add those together to get 68. So 2 times 4 was 8, and 2 times 3 in our tens column is 6. It's actually 6 tens, which makes it 68. So now we've looked at the method, let's try another calculation. This time I've got 5 multiplied by 87. Now, because multiplication is commutative, it means it doesn't matter which way round I write these two numbers. So I'm going to write the larger number first, 87, and then the smaller number underneath. So again, lining up my units here. So I'm going to start with the units, multiplying 5 times 7, which is 35. 35, so I'm going to write the 5 units down. I can't write the 30 part, the 3 tens in yet, because I've not finished my calculation. So I've got to put my 3 tens underneath this column, in the tens, to be added on later. So I can see 5 times 7 is 35. Very similar to when we're using column addition and we need to carry a digit. Now I can move on to my tens column. 5 multiplied by 8 is 40. And I need to add on these extra 3. So I've got 43 tens. So I can write the 3, and I could carry the 4 down to here, okay, into my hundreds column, but I haven't actually got anything else to calculate, so I can just write my 4 straight in this column to get my answer.